Hello, friends. This week we are talking about Earth and how we can protect it and everything like that. And one of the things you can do is by planting trees, planting flowers, and making sure our Earth is nice and clean. So I'm going to read you a story called Up, Down, and Around. And it's about planting different flowers and vegetables and fruits. Okay? Up, Down, and Around by Catherine Ayers. In the dirt, we'll dig a row, drop some seeds, and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go on, water splashes around and around. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around. Peppers grow up. Potatoes grow down. Pumpkin vines around and around. Look at all the different animals on this page. Look, there's a bunny, a dog, some crows or a bird. There's lots of animals. There's some I didn't even name. Can you find them? Like a butterfly. Let's see what's next. Broccoli grows up. Beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Wind around and around. Okra grows up. Onions grow down. Tomatoes twine around and around. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. The end. All right, friends, did you see all the different kinds of vegetables that were in that book? There was a lot. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys got to find lots of different animals. Alrighty, bye.